sneak in there and let's see if we can find her. Keep going.
Ouch! I crashed the makeup.
He's still sick.
He got the flu.
Okay, we'll just wait here.
Like, where did you see this? Logan, I crashed at the wall. Well, you got a present for her.
There she is.
Aw, thank you.
And he wanted to see you get his gingerbread, so I hope you don't mind that we're
Oh
recording this. 'cause I'm
no!
gonna take-
Is he singing? I love it.
Yeah.
I love it. I hope you feel better, Jacob. I miss you.
All right, and your teacher even got a hug from your sister today.
Yes.